Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we do question number 4 from worksheet 5. Link of worksheet 5 is in description. Question number 4 is 0 to pi 4 1 upon cos x cube root 2 sin 2x dx. For doing this, we all know that from trigonometry, sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. In the root we divide and multiply it by cos x, and cos x is present before here. Now we have 0 to pi 4 1 upon cos qx here we have 1 2 more, so we have 2 2 ja 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Move it outside from the integral. We have 1 by 2, 0 to pi 4, 1 upon cos x cube. Sin x upon cos x becomes tan x, and cos x cos square x. Now root cos square x is equal to cos x, so we have cos x cube, and this cos square x moves out from the root and becomes cos x. Dx. Zero to pi 4 1 upon cos x to power 4 root tan x. Now we all know that 1 upon cos x is equal to sec x, so 1 upon cos x to power 4, it becomes sec x to power 4 root tan x. Now we break sec x to power 4 into sec square x into sec square x. Tan x dx. Now for doing this, we suppose tan x equals to t. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x dx equals to dt. Now new limits are when x equals to 0, t equals to tan 0 and tan 0 is equal to 0. So new lower limit is 0. When x equals to pi by 4, t equals to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 1. So limits are 0 to 1. Sec square x dx, it becomes dt, and we break this sec square x into 1 plus tan square x, and tan x equals to t, so it becomes 1 plus t square, and value of tan x is 2. We can add one step here. We can write it as 1 by 2 0 to pi 4. Value of sec square x is 1 plus tan square x, sec square x dx root tan x. Now sec square x dx, it becomes dt. Sec square x dx, it becomes dt. Value of tan x t, value of tan x also t. So now it becomes 1 by 2, 0 to 1. We break it into two fractions, 1 upon root t plus t square upon root t dt. Root t means t to power 1 by 2. So we can write 1 upon root t as t to power minus 1 by 2 plus t square. 1 upon root t is equal to t to power minus 1 by 2 dt. t to power minus 1 by 2 plus 2 to the 4 minus 1 3 by 2 dt. Now we integrate it. Integration of t to power minus 1 by 2 is t to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus t to power 3 by 2. It becomes t to power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. Limits are 0 to 1. Now we put the limits. Upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 0. जाएगा t to power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus t to power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. 0 to 1. First of all, we apply the upper limit. Upper limit is 1. and lower limit is 0. So it becomes 2 plus 2 by 5. 1 to power 1 by 2, 1. 1 to power 5 by 2, 1. Now we solve it. 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. So our answer is 6 by 5. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.